What's up, guys? It's your girl Franny here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my little lace whip. So let's get to that. So as you can see right here, all I'm doing is brushing and plucking. And don't mind me, I am putting the video faster for you guys because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see the little slow version of it. So all I'm doing here is plucking these bad boys out, and what I do is grab the little baby hairs in the front, or the hair in the front, and then I just pluck in the middle of the hair between the baby hairs and the back of the wig. So guys, this is the tweezer I am using, exactly shown in this picture right here, and the way that I put it for you guys, this is exactly how I'm holding the tweezers. So I'm going in on the hair in the middle of it just to pluck a little bit of hair because the hair was a little full in the front, and which made the hair stand up a little bit. And make sure you guys make sure that your frontal hair is wet because it does help you pluck the hairs a little better than your hair being dry, and you pluck a whole bunch of hair and then you end up with a patch on the head, and you don't want that. I don't know why I pluck like that, but as you can see, I am plucking. It looks like I'm plucking forcefully, but I am really not. I'm just combing and grabbing these little hairs that I do not want to be here, because what if I want to put my hair in a little bun up ponytail, whatever. So I'm just plucking that little thing in the middle, and then I'll go to the front of the hair to pluck the baby hairs or whatever I want it to be. So right here is basically where my ear go, and I be having difficulties with that issue right there. So I'm just gonna solve that by plucking where my ear would be, and I'm just plucking that bad boy. I'm just plucking, just plucking, just plucking, and just plucking. But yeah, and I'm plucking downwards. So after you finish plucking or whatever, what you're doing, it should look like this. Okay, it should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, it doesn't matter, sweetheart. You could go back and pluck that bit again, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content. Don't forget to comment.